to a Philly's vlog, and this is Advanced Summer Leadership Workshop.
This is not summer.
Oh, dang.
Cut it out.
Y'all, we is getting flued out. Mel, okay, she teed up now, y'all. Yes, sir.
Every single time she calls my name, like.
Oh, okay, throw it back there. This is our mommy, Miss Morrison. Yes, sometimes. We have $10 to go crazy, go stupid. God, look at that.
It does.
It looks like a milkshake. Smells like lemonade.
So we gonna see.
Let's try it on.
Welcome to Good Morning America.
I am Ophelia Brown, and today we'll be trying our frozen lemonades for the first time. I'm so scared.
It's like,
Did you say no milk? Did you want to make it with water?
it's like.
Let me get it. Y'all eat this. This is not what I signed up for. It's so fancy. Wait a minute. Okay, Chick-fil-A, tee us up then.
Cedarville could never.
Ever. Gangsta. Y'all could never. You guys are sitting in school. We're sitting around a campfire.
You see this fire pit you could never afford.
Ever.
$500, period.
At all.
Really cute on her
Some of y'all ain't even got $5.
Oh, you didn't have to come from that hard.
It's cute as she
The
wants.
mom made JC cry.
How do we know this is my fault?
Stop. I don't know where we are, y'all. Let's get matching cowboy hats. Please, matching cowboy. A knife? Okay. Oh, breathe.
What did they just say?
I miss you. Me and you must never.
My bad. My mistake.
Pretty.
I didn't know. It was what?
The small town that I have family in Michigan is like pretty, but the old people look at me funny, and I don't like being there. And then I get in trouble for saying that. And then
Say it again for the camera. Say it again for the camera.
I'm like, ooh. What?
Miss Morrison, you said it was gonna be pretty and the windows are boarded up.
I know. I thought it would be cute, and I'm like, this is not cute.
This is not cute.
Sucks.
Jamal
So,
is
yes,
missing
we
it
have
all.
made the determination that Palestine
Sucks.
I looked at pictures of Palestine, and it was a little bit cute.
Yeah.
I thought downtown it was cute.
In the travel magazine it looked better. Where's the train place
I
at?
know there is none.
Is this the train place?
There's a train. There's a train.
But this is
There's a
not the
really
train
long
place.
train.
Some
Oh my goodness! I wonder how many teenagers turn into.
All right, let's walk.
Bro, I forgot.
Well, I'm glad you're having a good time, Philly.
That was so
Yeah.
funny.
Cut the what?
Cut the cameras.
Like for real? Like for real, you want me to stop recording?
Laughter and just fun and joy, or y'all talking about somebody.
That's the guilty laugh.
It can be.
Oh no, we never
No, we don't do that. Miss Stinson is ready to go. Miss Stinson is so nervous. She over me. Yes, sir. Kill myself. Tell the camera how you feel. I want raw emotions.
Hey, look!
I want to see some cash.
But wait, hold on.
This one's
At
mine.
least the floor ain't disgusting, and there's a ladder to get on the bed. No, I want that one.
Okay, this is me and Taylor's. You said it looks what, Zarya?
This is me and Nicole.
What's nice? What is nice?
It's like the over there. It's nice in here.
There's no lock, y'all. There's no lock on the door. So if we get murdered, we get murdered.
Okay, so like
We can't keep them out.
Wait, so what we need to do is go get our stuff so we can put them on our bed.
Everybody take their jacket off and leave it on the bed.
Hold on, wait, I ain't started.
So give me your raw emotions. Tell me what's going on. Tell me how you feel.
Well, it's kind of nice. It looks like penitentiary, you know.
The pen.
In the pen.
But
My cousin in the
the beds are
pen.
comfy, like comfy.
come free.
Miss Morrison, give us your raw emotion. Tell us how you feeling.
I feel good. I'm a bit concerned, which I'll explain later.
Okay. I don't think she's gonna explain on camera, so viewers of my movie, you guys will never know. We're at the Cotton Patch Cafe. I hate the Cotton Patch Cafe. This is disgusting. I just want to go home. Yep.
Because once she sets her mind on something, I know she gonna get it done.
Of course you were walking.
Because this one was about me.
Okay, go Bree. Oh no, Philly, it's your turn.
Hi. I'm here to talk about Brianna. And she...
Don't say my government. I got people looking for me.
I'm here to talk about Bree Bree.
Yeah, they're gross.
And when she wants attention, she gets attention. Not like that. Like, she commands respect. She will never let anybody treat her subpar.
I sure won't.
She gonna get what she want, and that's on period. Yes.
Oh, it's me.
Say YBDC College, YBDC College. There's so much stuff I can't step in. Y'all, we okay. It's the my shoe, Taylor. Okay. We're gonna start that over. Y'all, it's the first night, and we hear the music, and we're ready. I feel like we're at the Bachelorette, and I'm gonna get a rose.
Me too. I feel like,
Ooh, I'm gonna get a rose. He's gonna choose me because he loves me. Oh, shit. Ooh, let's go see if my man's here. He's the speaker man. Okay, yeah. These are our roomies. Roomie, tell the camera how you feel for my vlog.
Good.
Yay.
Hey.
You?
They're already ready.
Can you hand me my charger? Lucky.
People, what happened?
Can you have my pants?
That's a damn shame. So we have to run through the camp to get breakfast, and it's like raining cats and dogs, and Big Daddy Bree and Big Daddy's art and Big Daddy everybody, they said we ain't going nowhere. Vlog morning one. I don't know what to tell you. I'm hungry. I don't want to eat breakfast. I need Cheerios on my bag. Like, y'all, we doing this activity right now where I'm not supposed to listen to Bree when she talks about the stuff that's important to her. And yeah, it's real fun. Hey, girl! Hey. We got out and we're on our way to lunch on the first day. Say, be happy. Woo! Girl, this day too.
Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout.
Big summer blowout! I will talk too much. It's a shooting range. Bestie! You want to see some ass? Bestie, where's the hot Cheetos? Bestie, where's the breast? I got my cookies. Where the hot Cheetos, best friend?
Bitch, no, we not ghetto.
Best friend with the brisk.
No, we're not ghetto.
And this is my bestie. Where's the scrunchie?
There's two in my hair.
Okay.
with this old shit. That say Mike's right. Who is Mike?
We just woke up from a nap and we're late, so yeah. You guys say hi to the vlog. Hi. We're finna go get dinner and it's gonna be good. America, how you feel for my vlog?
I don't know. I'm a little hungry and I'm like worn out.
So tell, the people wanna know, why do you untie girls' shoes?
Well, it's not just girls, but it's still funny. Like, because like they throw like a little tantrum or whatever. And it's
Look at all these birds. In the clouds of pink and blue. Okay. I was like, I hate little. This is so pretty.
It is very good.
Hi, welcome to Phillydenae's vlog, and this is Advanced Summer Leadership Workshop.
This is not summer.
Oh dang! This is where are we at?
Advanced Leadership Workshop.
Advanced Leadership Workshop in Palestine, Texas.
Yes, sir.
You guys tell the people people how you're feeling. They're excited to go argue with people.
I'm not gonna go to college, but you know, like I'm excited.
Let's go.
We're gonna go argue and I'm gonna cry because I don't know how to argue.
We finna have a ball.
And find out who I am. I wish I was.
All right. You ready?
Yep. There she is. I know, but I don't want to flash people's eyes.
Get an angle. Walk around.
All right, yeah. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
I am a leader. I am everything. I am living. I am caring. I am hurting. I am hurting. I am everything. I am intense.
Who are
I
you?
am loving.
Who are
I'm
you?
entertaining.
Who are you?
What was the last night of us being here? It was a great experience.
I cried for like 30 minutes.
I didn't get no footage, but it's alright. I was trying to let it be raw and real. That would have been the best footage ever. Could have got me an Emmy. Y'all see these waters? We ain't got no water at the house.
All these waters, but you still thirsty for these other bitches.
Ooh. Y'all, I danced with Terry Ham tonight. I'm gonna insert the video right now. Oh my god, yes. I was dancing with Jamal. Ophelia, come here. Me? Me? You want me to dance with you? Cut it out.
It's over. We did it.
I cried.
You said you what?
I cried.
But you came out stronger.
Oh, I'm glowing.
All thanks to Arik Jackson.
No.
Go help stack chairs. Be an example. Be a leader. Right?
Oh, leadership.
You drop it low, I'm trying to see you pick it up. Got this gas all